Assalamu alaikum students. This is your lesson number 2 for unit 2 of handwriting. Now you can open your pupil book 2. In this lesson we are going to talk about alphabet, handwriting, capital and lowercase letters. We are going to have dictation as well and further practice of reading words and sentences. Now you can see in your book that there is alphabet over here, and when we say the alphabet we say the letter names. You can see the alphabet over here. Okay, now we are going to write the capital letters in this page of your pupil book 2. Can you write these letters properly? We have capital letters over here and small letters over here. Capital letters are tall and start at or near the top. They do not go under the line. Trace inside the outline and then write on the dots. And you can do the same for lowercase or small letters. You can start from the dot, starting dot over here, and then you can move down. Be careful when you are forming the letters. Starting point is marked by the dot over here. Start in the right place to finish in the right place. Now here in your pupil 2, you are going to match capital letters with small letters. Write inside the outline of the capital and small letters, and then after doing this activity you are going to write down capital letters with small letters. I hope I am very much clear. Now this is the time for dictation. I hope that everyone is ready for dictation. You can take out your paper and pencils, and you should have your razors as well. Now, whenever you are writing for dictation, you need to listen carefully and then you need to count all the sounds which you are writing. Okay, so your first word is cap. 3 letters and 3 sounds. K, A, P. You can write down K, A, P, cap. Next word is D or T. Dot. Write down dot. D or T. Dot. 3 letters and 3 sounds. Next word men. 3 letters and 3 sounds. Next stop. St or P. Stop. 4 letters and 4 sounds. Okay, next you have to write down drip. D R E P. Drip. 4 letters and 4 sounds. Okay, next. Now I think that it is the 6th word, number 6. Write down boat. B O T. B O T. 3 sounds and 4 letters. Next, Ch E P. Ch E P. 3 letters and 4 sounds. Ch E P. Chip. Next, in. Thin. 3 letters, 4 letters and 3 sounds. Next, shoot. Shoot. Sh O T. Sh O T. 5 letters and 3 sounds. Don't forget to make sound buttons under your words. Your last word is nutmeg. It's a compound word, nutmeg. N-A-T-M-E-G. nutmeg. N-a-t-m-e-g. Nutmeg. 6 letters and 6 sounds. Please check your work now. You have got 10 words altogether. Check your work carefully, check all the spellings. I'm going to repeat once again. Number 1, cap. Number 2, dot. Number 3, men. Number 4, stop. Number 5, drip. Number 6, boat. Number 7, chip. Number 8, thin. Number 9, shoot. And number 10, nutmeg. Thank you. Now you can check your work. Okay, while you're checking your work, you can also do some reading. We have some words over here in this page and some sentences over here on this page. You start reading here like this. E, r, e, d. Read and then submit your voice notes to your teacher. This is a reading sentence. You can start with the tricky word over here. Read from the tricky words and then do complete reading. Okay, students, we have done the revision of the sounds. We have discussed alphabet, capital and lowercase letters, and then we have done dictation and further blending. Thank you so much, everyone.